Hello, I'm Naveed Mukhtar from ZR Visas. ZR Visas is a global immigration firm who provides specialized UK visa advice and support to the client across the globe. In this video, we will talk about UK Fiancé Visa applications. UK Fiancé Visa applications are used for joining the partners in the UK who are either British citizen or who are European citizens and have settled status or pre-settled status in the UK or have indefinite leave to remain. In this video, we will talk about fee, processing time, and we will talk about the basic requirements you need to meet to make a successful UK Fiancé Visa application. Starting from fee, the current fee for UK Fiancé Visa application is £1,523. Though when you make visa application fee payment using a UK bank account, the bank will add some foreign currency charges as well. This does not include the biometrics appointment fee, though most of the time free biometrics appointments are available between 2 to 3 weeks time in almost all the countries. There is no immigration health surcharge for fiancé visa. Therefore, if you are coming to UK on a fiancé visa, it is better to have a medical insurance which will cover your medical bill. Processing time for fiancé visa. There has been quite a lot of discussion on fiancé visa and spouse visa processing times. The original processing time was 12 weeks in the start of the year 2022, and it was increased to 24 weeks in around March or April 2022. The processing time starts from the date you attend your biometrics appointment to provide your biometrics, which includes photos and fingerprints impressions, and also submitting your passport with your application. The applications are made online. Now we talk about the basic and general requirements for UK Fiancé Visa applications. Fiancé Visa is suitable for those people who are not yet married and they wish to get married in the UK. The first obvious requirement is that you should be in a genuine and subsisting relationship. Relationship can be proved in many ways, and it will vary from person to person as every client have different circumstances. When we do applications for our clients, we do make an initial assessment to understand their case, and their caseworker will arrange a callback after they book a service with us. The second requirement you should meet is that if you have ever lived together, whether in the UK or outside UK, or you have visited your partner abroad, or any other ways where you communicate with your partner, all that evidence should be included in a relationship evidence. Another important requirement for fiancé visa is that you meet the financial requirements. Financial requirements can be met in different ways, which includes employment, self-employment, cash savings, if you are director of a company, or if you are in the seats of certain benefits or pensions. You may be exempt from meeting the financial requirements if you are in the seats of certain disability benefits, such as disability living allowance, or you are taking PIP, that is called personal independence payment. If you are in the seats of these certain disability benefits, you don't have to meet the financial requirements, but you will have to meet sufficient accommodation and maintenance requirements, which should be calculated and satisfied before you meet the requirements and make the application. As a part of your fiancé visa application, you will also need to provide evidence that you have made some arrangements to get married in the UK. There could be different type of arrangements which are acceptable. One of the main acceptable format of documents for marriage arrangement is that if you can book a licensed venue. Licensed venues are venues which are licensed by the UK Home Office, where people can get married. A certain process has to be followed to give a notice to the registrar to get married and booking a venue. It can take up to 70 days after you give a notice to registrar to get an approval from the Home Office to proceed with marriage or registering a civil partnership. Therefore, care should be taken when you make your fiancé visa applications, and you should try to synchronize the dates with the notice to get married and to book a venue. If we are doing your application, your caseworker will guide you on this part of the process. In addition to marriage arrangement, you will also need to meet English language requirements, at least at CEFR level A1. Remember, only approved English tests are accepted by the Home Office for fiancé visa applications. Alternative to English tests, if you have a degree at bachelor's, master's, or PhD level which was taught in English, you may be able to use that to meet the English language requirement. For some countries, there is no requirement to meet English language tests. Those countries are majority speaking countries, for example, US, Canada, and Jamaica. These are just a few examples. If you are using your degree to meet English language requirements, then you will need a certificate from ECCTIS, formerly called UK, which should confirm that your degree is at the equal or above level of a UK bachelor's degree and the level of the English which was used to teach you the degree. Moving forward, for some countries, a TB test report is also required. Not for all the countries. TB tests are normally valid for 6 months. Keeping in view the processing time, which is 24 weeks, as I mentioned earlier, this is very important for the applicants to understand the risks involved with these applications. A refused application can cause not only the mental stress, but it can also stretch your finances, as visa fees are non-refundable, but it can also create an adverse immigration history. Any UK visa refuse applications are likely to impact the future applications. Therefore, it's very important that you take due care and you are familiar with the latest immigration rules at the time of making Fiancé Visa application. If you don't feel confident, we recommend to get advice and support from an immigration firm who are regulated either by OISC or by the Law Society. All UK immigration firms are regulated by a regulatory body. For example, we are regulated by the Office of Immigration Services Commissioner. We hope that you find this information helpful. If you search ZR visas, Fiancé visa, you can find some more information, a general list of the documents, and the basic requirements you need to meet to make a successful Fiancé visa applications. You can also contact us on our website zrvisas.com or send us an email or a WhatsApp message. Our contact details are on our website zrvisas.com. Thank you for watching the video and we wish you best for your visa application. Thank you.